Yes, you can. Homeschool, all from a load of laundry. Moms, if you're surrounded by mounds and mounds of laundry and you feel like you're neglecting your child's education, if you sort and fold the laundry, I'm telling you that you don't have to compromise. I'm here today with 15 ways that you can homeschool with laundry, from preschool all the way up through high school. Are you ready? Let's run through. And I have this printable for you on your mark, get, set, go. 15 things. First thing, sanity. Your peace of mind improves with every single piece of laundry that gets folded and put away. If your kids are little, you can have, we're talking about laundry and homeschool. If you're little, you can teach them their colors by just pointing to laundry and saying maroon, black, white. So colors. If you separate into piles, that is a sorting skill. You can teach them fine motor skills as they zip and button and lace things or unbutton those shirts before they get thrown in the washing machine. You can also learn critical thinking. Who does this belong to? What would happen if I put mom's favorite shirt in the youngest brother's dresser? Not a good thing. Critical thinking. Another skill you learn from laundry is classifying. It's a scientific skill as kids decide who gets which piece of laundry. Vocabulary development, brassiere, enough said. Math, how many socks are in a pair? How many pairs of socks do you have in your pile? So how many socks do you have altogether? Math. Scientific method. First, you ask a question. What happens to the other sock? Then you create a hypothesis. I propose that the missing sock is stolen by sleepwalking children who hide them under rocks in the backyard. And then you form an experiment where you can collect data and prove your hypothesis, incorrect or correct. Reading. You can do read aloud with your kids, like do your laundry or you'll die alone, or laundry day. Or you can even get super creative and you can do a whole unit on laundry, focusing on laundry tips and how you get stains out of things and how you don't shrink your mom's all wonderful alpaca wool socks. You can do a creative writing prompt. The day the laundry basket was empty began like any other day, and then have your kids complete the story. You can do gross motor skill activity. Kids need to move. All you need to do is add fun music and dancing and music and folding with the laundry, right? Higher math. Okay, did you think this was just for littles? Done, done, done. Okay, I've got a glare, but you can turn your laundry into functions. Okay, teach your kids when they're little to memorize y equals mx plus b. That's the slope-intercept form. Then you can teach them that x is the pile of laundries, m is the number of steps that they go up and down in the stairs, in this case 3, b represents the bottom of the stairs. Then they can magically plug in the slope-intercept form where they're working with x's and y's, and they can plot, where is my pen? They can plot your graph with a straight edge of how many steps it takes to complete the laundry. That is higher math. That is high school done with laundry. What else? You can learn character building. Doing laundry teaches teamwork, discipline, diligence, responsibility, kindness, gratitude, fun. Attitude that you bring with you when you're working determines whether or not you're having fun. Remember, joy is seen and heard. Your kids need to see you laughing and singing and playing with the music. And laundry is a joy stealer. So combat it head on by turning a laundry into a central part of your homeschool day. Okay, go and download. I have all of these. I have to go correct a few spelling errors that I saw when I created the video, but let me do that. Give me 3 minutes and then download your homeschooling with laundry cheat sheet. Talk to you later. Bye.